Celebrate special occasions with a desert safari experience in Dubai. Looking for a truly unforgettable way to celebrate your next big event? Whether it's a birthday, corporate gathering, or private party, a desert safari in Dubai offers the perfect blend of adventure, luxury, and scenic beauty to make your occasion extraordinary. Birthday celebrations in the dunes. Make your special day magical with a unique birthday celebration under the stars. Enjoy thrilling dune bashing, camel rides, and sunset photography before indulging in a delicious BBQ dinner at a traditional Bedouin-style camp. Personalize the event with themed decor, cake arrangements, live entertainment, and more for an unforgettable birthday bash. Corporate events with a twist. Impress clients or reward your team with a corporate event like no other. From team-building activities in the sand to exclusive VIP setups, a desert safari offers a relaxed yet exciting environment to bond and celebrate achievements. Fully customizable packages include private seating areas, gourmet menus, and professional event coordination to meet your business needs. Private parties in a stunning setting. Host intimate celebrations or grand parties surrounded by the serene beauty of the desert. Ideal for anniversaries, proposals, or family get-togethers, our private desert safari experiences can be tailored with live music, fire shows, henna artists, and more. Create lifelong memories in one of the most breathtaking locations in the world. Perfect for tourists, couples, families, and planners. Whether you're visiting Dubai or planning an exclusive event, our desert safari celebration packages cater to tourists seeking once-in-a-lifetime experiences, couples looking for romantic escapes, families planning milestone moments, and corporate planners organizing impactful events. Why choose a desert safari celebration? Unique and scenic venue, fully customizable packages, entertainment and gourmet catering, experienced event coordination team, options for luxury or budget setups. Celebrate under the stars, surrounded by golden dunes, and let the magic of Dubai's desert transform your special occasion into a cherished memory. Plan your desert celebration today. Visit www.mydesertsafaridubai.com for bookings.